Axel and Henry. Okay, so this is Axel. No, you're Axel. First of all, what's that feather on your beak? What is that? What is that on your beak? You're like losing feathers like crazy. Who are you? Are you Axel? Are you Axel? Who are you? All right, let's take the test. Who are you? Hi. Who are you? Hi. Okay, you guys are serving me no justice. Henry always talks first. You know what? I know what it's like to be a mom of twins because you guys look alike. Half the time, I don't know if it's Henry or Axel. Who are you? You gotta go by personality. Is Henry have more green or does Axel have more green? I'm the worst mother ever. Do I not know who is who today? Who are you, boys? Who's who? Okay, let's try this. Step up. Okay, step down. Step up. Step down. Are you going to talk today? I need to know if you're Henry or Axel. Because, you know what? A mother of twins, sometimes we get confused. We don't know, do we? Or do we? Oh, he just said yes. Yes, we do. I know, I'm a bad mom. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Do you have anything else to say? You do. Okay, what would you like to say? Really? That you're mad at me because I don't know if you're Henry or Axel? I totally get it. I totally understand. I'm with you, little boy. Okay? I totally feel embarrassed. Who are you? Who are you? Eh? Are you Henry? Or are you Axel? Which one are you? And yes. Are you Axel? Yes, you are Axel. Are you Axel? Okay, so, oh, we gotta close this door. The flies are like, it's like a fly fest. Okay, so I have my daughter Haley with me. Now you talk. Are you sure? Mm-hmm. Okay, so Henry has more green. Oh,
and look. His eyes are yellow.
So are Axel's.
Yeah, but the way he's just sitting on here, you just tell it's him.
Oh, now he's talking because he's talking to Haley. Are you Henry? Are you talking to your mother? Henry. Yes. Are you Axel? Yes, you are Axel. Are you Axel? Okay, so we have Henry, who has more green, and typically we'll talk, especially around my daughter Haley. This is a whole video in itself about a mother who can't tell the twins apart. I can't tell you apart, boys! I can, but I can't. Okay, you guys have two very different personalities. Axel is very feisty.
So camera shy.
Oh, you're so camera shy. Look at you, sweet boy. All right, you'll come to Nana. Come to Nana. Step up. Come see your Nana. We have Nana and Mommy. Don't ask me how that works. We've got Nana and Mommy, okay? Henry is my daughter's bird, and Axel is my bird. So I'm your mommy. Henry, step up. And Henry, I'm your Nana. It's a weird family life, isn't it? I know. You know what? We all love each other. Did you have fun? We did the unboxing today. This is a whole separate video because we needed to know who is who. It's hard having twins. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. We love you guys.